Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright, y'all. You know, I was telling y'all earlier this month, I'm going to start doing more breakfast items starting next month. But I'm going to do a breakfast items today. This is one of my favorite breakfast items, y'all, that I do when I'm not working, because I'm not working anymore, so I'm going to be doing a lot of more breakfast items. But I love biscuits, scrambled eggs, and hot links. A lot of people don't know about hot links. I love them, just put them in the skillet. I like to split them in half, throw them in the skillet, let them sear off. Something I grew up on for breakfast. Biscuits, hot links, scrambled eggs, and give me some ribbon cane syrup. That's a breakfast. That's a country breakfast, y'all. So I'm going to set these here to the side. We're going to get these biscuits going first. And once we get the biscuits going, then we'll work on our, I ain't going to make but a few biscuits, y'all. And sometimes I use my formula ale biscuit mix. I'm going old school today. I'm just using regular, I'm going to go homemade biscuits on y'all today. So I got some all-purpose flour, a little baking powder, a little sugar in here. Just a little sugar, not much in there. Get out the way. A little salt. Well, this salt and pepper ain't gonna hurt it. Okay, get this out the way. This is one of them spontaneous videos again, y'all, I've been doing. So I'm gonna mix these dry up together. I got some butter. You can use Crisco sometime. I use Crisco. Like I say, today I'm using butter. So I'm gonna just take my hands here, cut that butter in with my hands. Y'all know I wash my hands. It's early, so I would just wash my hands, y'all, for the day. Y'all know I wash my hands at least once a day. So I'm gonna cut that in here. Butter cut up in there really good. You don't want the butter too soft. You prefer it to be kind of firm there. Okay. That's what you want. All right. All right, let me wash my hands off here. Hey, if y'all been following me enough, you know that my mom, she used to make biscuits every morning growing up. We had biscuits every morning growing up, y'all. That's just a tradition in my house. Okay, using whole buttermilk here. Pick it up, make sure you get it all incorporated. Mixed up in there. Biscuits is so simple, y'all. A bit more buttermilk in there. Y'all see I'm making this freehand. No measurements involved. I make biscuits all the time, y'all, so I don't measure these. And that's it. Get this out the way. Okay, we're gonna put some flour on the board here. My flour here. Flour on the board. Alrighty. It's all right there. Want biscuits right there on it. And the key is you don't want to over mix your biscuits. Y'all should know that by now. Just want to mix just enough to incorporate. You don't want, if you over mix it, you already know you're gonna get a tough biscuit. That's all I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna fold them over here. Into that. Fold it over there and get them layers going. And that's it. A little flour on top. Kind of mash them down. And that's it. Now we're going to step off just a second, y'all. I got to grab my biscuit cutters. Wash my hands here first. I got to find my biscuit cutters here. I should have had it already ready, but I told you it's a spontaneous video here. impromptu. So we'll be right back. I'm gonna find a biscuit cutter. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back. Okay, I got my biscuit cutters here. All we're gonna do is cut these things out and put them on my pan here. Like I said, I'm not making that many, y'all. It's actually just me here. Put them on my pan right here. Some people like to have their biscuits far apart. I like mine close together. I like that tenderness that they bring inside the middle ones. One more right here. Then I'm gonna mix these other two together. See if I can get a couple more out of here. You don't want to develop too much gluten. Too much gluten in them. Get enough where I can get two more out of here. See if I can get one more. Let me get one more out of here, y'all. Oh yeah, let me get one more out of here. There we go. Alright, now all I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do something I always see my mama do, y'all. She would take some leftover chicken grease or bacon grease that was sitting on top of the stove, which I have right here. And all I'm gonna do, I just take that, just put it right on the biscuit. I don't know why she did that, but it makes such a big difference. I just put it right on top of the biscuit. This is chicken grease I had left over from fried chicken. Put that right on top of that. And that's it, y'all. See how you just put them biscuits together? Now, I'm putting in the oven, 350 degrees, about 12-15 minutes. When I come back, we're going to put these sausage in this skillet. I'm going to get my eggs ready. We're going to have us some breakfast here in a little no time. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Alright, this definitely brings back memories, y'all. All I do to these hot links, y'all, I'm going to split them in half, just like that. Split them just in half. I don't know how, if I had $1 for every time I had hot links and scrambled eggs and biscuits for breakfast, I'd be rich right now. Okay, all the eggs, scrambled eggs, all I'm going to do, put some salt and pepper in them. I like to season them, that's it. You can put a little milk in them if you want to, but I'm not. I just mix them up like this. I'm going to make scrambled. Turn my fire on here for my sausage. Gonna get it cooked. Then I'm going to do my eggs last minute. So let that sit right there. Move this out the way. And this breakfast is about to come together, y'all. Let me move y'all over here to my skillet. Get y'all up closer here where y'all can see what's going on here. I got a little oil in the skillet here. I'm gonna just put my hot link just like this. Bottom side down. And all it's gonna take, cook another maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Total cooking time. My biscuits got about 8 more minutes to go, and I'm trying to bring this breakfast all out at one time here, y'all. So I'm gonna be right back. Once you turn these over, I'm gonna get my platter ready for my eggs. And my platter ready for everything to come out on. And we'll bring this breakfast together. Old school country breakfast in the mix. Be right back. Alright, y'all, we back. Oh, look at these sausage, y'all. This is goodness. This country goodness right here. This is some country goodness breakfast right here, y'all. Some hot links. You cut them in half and let them curl up. Look at that. I'm going to turn them back over and let them get a little bit brown on the other side. This is my childhood growing up, y'all. This is my childhood right here growing up. hot links, scrambled eggs, homemade buttermilk biscuits, berry rabbit syrup, which I got right here. Hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. Y'all probably don't know about no berry rabbit syrup. Look at this. See that berry rabbit syrup? Y'all, and you gotta have that with your biscuits, y'all. Gotta have that with your biscuits. So I turned these off. I'm gonna push these to the back. I'm gonna put my egg skillet up to the front here. A little oil in here. You can use butter, but I'm gonna use oil. Get it heating up here. And then just a second, right before my biscuits come out, I'm gonna do my eggs. I ain't gonna do my eggs till my biscuits are almost ready. So I'll just get my skillet heating up just a little here so it can be already warm. And this breakfast is about to come together. It's so quick. This whole breakfast takes less than 30 minutes, really, y'all. No, don't take no time at all. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, the biscuits out of the oven. All I'm gonna do, y'all, is brush them with a little butter here. Brush them with a little butter. Like butter and biscuit, y'all, right? There we go. Look at that. Look at them biscuits, y'all. Can't go wrong. Look at that. Fresh out the oven. See that? Okay, I'm going to set these here and let these set here. I'm going to get over here and we're going to scramble these eggs and we're going to put this breakfast together, y'all. Got my sausage back there. The skillet should be heating up here. And like I said, y'all, it's very simple when I do my scrambled eggs. Make sure your oil is hot. Scramble just like that, y'all. I like mine soft scrambled. I don't like no hard scrambled eggs, y'all, at all. You don't take long to scramble eggs. In fact, I'm going to turn the fire off right now and just let the carryover cooking carry it over. And just kind of, you got your nice fluffy eggs. See that? That's it. Nice fluffy eggs. I'm going to move these over here and put them on my platter. I think I'll put my eggs in the middle. Put our eggs in the middle. We'll move y'all over here. Got my eggs in the middle here. We're going to grab our sausage. Our sausage here. There's my tongue. There we go. Get my tongs here. This thing is hot. My sausage right there. It's the breakfast here, y'all. This is a breakfast here. Now I gotta put our biscuits right here on the side. Put the biscuits up here. Nice and fluffy biscuits there. Some meal right here, y'all. Some meal right here. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna step off here. Y'all know I gotta take that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And I'll be back and we're gonna test these biscuits and the sausage and eggs out. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we are back here. Let's try a little of this here. A little eggs here. Just try a little for the camera, and then I'm gonna really throw down here in a minute here, y'all. You know, like I say, gotta have a little berry rabbit syrup on here. A little berry rabbit right there. Got a little sample here. I already know these eggs is nice and fluffy. See how fluffy these eggs are, y'all? I like to take the sausage, dip in that syrup. The biscuit's so fluffy, so light. Y'all know about salt and syrup. God. That's good eating right here, y'all. Country eating. One more bite. Look at this bite right here, y'all. Don't get no better than this, y'all. Look at this. Put that on your table for your family. Hot buttermilk biscuit. Nice, perfect scrambled egg. Hot links. Don't get no better. Oh my God. Way to start the day. But anyway, y'all, if you like this video, please share, please comment. Look at them bird rabbit shirt. Please share, please comment. Please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.